Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a Zucchini with us in the shop. And it came in for a few things, one mainly being that the bottom of the machine was leaking quite a bit. Also the machine needed a new pressure stat due to overheating. On top of that, we did have to service the steam one, and what we found is that around the original base here, that gasket, which is seated in between the boiler and the frame, had leaked, or it was causing a leak, and even tightening it didn't fix it, so we did have to replace the whole gasket. The issue with that is that this model, specific Zucchini model, doesn't actually have doesn't actually sell that gasket anymore, or at least that specific one, because there's a plumbed in version of the Zucchini, and that there's a few extra things added to the boiler to accommodate that, so the gasket had to be very cut specifically. So what we did is we ended up having to cut gaskets ourselves. This is just one of the test ones that we made, and yeah, so we had to cut a specific gasket for your machine to replace this so that it wouldn't leak, and also just tighten it up so that the machine doesn't move around. And yeah, now we're going to just quickly test all the functions of the machine, and we're not going to pull a shot with this one, but I'm just going to pull this all the way down. As you can see, working well. Also polished the machine a little bit, make sure everything was nice and clean. Steam one, we're going to put this right under, and we're going to open this. I did replace both the gaskets and re-lubricated the steam one. Let's see if we get nice steam out of this one. Also cleaned it with milk detergent just to make sure there wasn't any milk around the edges. And yeah, that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, hit the bell. Thanks for watching.